Sneezing might seem harmless, but it can actually lead to some serious health risks. If you sneeze too hard, you could fracture a rib. Yes, a simple sneeze. On the flip side, trying to suppress a sneeze can be even more dangerous. Blocking that pressure can rupture blood vessels in your head or neck, and in extreme cases, it could even be fatal. You might also face ruptured eardrums or irritation in your throat. The worst-case scenario? A rupture of blood vessels in your brain or eyes. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, it's better to let it out than to risk your health. Sneezing is a natural reflex, embrace it.